So in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the brightness not working issue in Windows 11. By following these steps, you can easily adjust your screen brightness, enhance your viewing experience and reduce eye strain. So let's start the video. To resolve this issue, start by right-clicking the Windows icon on the taskbar and selecting Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the Monitor section and right-click on your display manufacturer. Now ensure the device is enabled. If it's not, enable it. Then click on the Update driver and choose Search automatically for drivers. If the driver is already up to date, move on to the next step. Next, go to the Display Adapters section in Device Manager. Expand it and locate your graphics adapter. Right-click on it and choose Update driver. Now select Browse my computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers. You will see a list of drivers that you can try installing one by one. Choose the driver that works best for your PC and click Next to begin the installation. Once the driver installation is complete, close the window. This process can help fix brightness issues on your PC. Now right-click on any empty area of your desktop and select Display Settings. From there, you will see the brightness slider. And now your brightness control should be working properly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel.